So many people ask me to do a tutorial on how to apply dip powder on my own nails, and if I can only do dip powder manicures on fake nails. Today, I'm going to give you these videos to show how I apply the powder and liquid on my own natural nails. To be honest, the reason I'm here applying powder to my fake nails is to showcase the palette and to show how beautiful the color is. Techniques and skills are the same, doesn't matter if you apply them on tips or on your naturals. The only difference is in the thickness or width when you apply them to fake nail tips. Today, I specifically picked a manicure I've done before, but on fake nails. This way, you can see the difference between original and fake nails. In this tutorial, I'm teaching how to apply sheer color, glitter color, clear powder, and even how to achieve an ombre effect with a chunky glitter shade. Hold your fluffy makeup, brush horizontally to pick up the chunky glitter from the container. At a 45-degree angle or completely horizontally, flick your brush to drop the glitter onto your nails. Moving your brush from the free edge to the cuticle area will create a natural ombre effect. I'll repeat the same process for my ring finger. And as you see, don't forget to dip your finger into the clear powder before it completely dries. This way, the powder will absorb the liquid and seal and protect the glitter's shine even during filing and buffing. You can also press down on any misplaced glitters to ensure they lie flat and smooth. I've noticed some people discussing the method of applying the liquid on your nails. There are various methods, but the one I'm showing is the one I use most frequently. It's designed to apply the liquid smoothly and evenly, making it extremely beginner-friendly. Its self-leveling feature will help you achieve your nail goals. Another frequent question is about the number of layers of powder applied to my nails. As you've probably seen, I continuously dip twice even before it's completely dried. This is because the superfine powder, a hallmark of this beginner-friendly kit, allows multiple dips to absorb as much liquid as possible. I always emphasize the importance of carefully cleaning up any loose or excess powder using a fluffy brush or a wooden stick after every step. By cleaning up powder on the sidewall, you ensure there's no accumulation of powder mixed with liquid. This habit will save you a ton of effort during the filing and buffing process. This step or suggestion is for any kind of powder, be it sheer color, shimmer, or glitter. Once you apply the second layer to achieve a more vibrant ombre color of the glitters, don't forget to press down the glitters or adjust them using your wooden stick. And always remember to apply the clear powder to protect the shine of the glitters. One more thing, you've probably seen there are both build powder and clear powder. They are essentially the same, but it's crucial to note there are slight differences in their formulas. Comparing with color powder, this means the clear powder might dry at a different rate than the colored ones. I highly recommend keeping your fluffy brush and wooden stick close at hand to quickly clear away any loose or excess powder and any accumulated powder mixed with liquid. This is immensely helpful and will save you time during the buffing and filing stages. Once your color process is completed, apply the activator liquid. But remember, after the activator is on, the only alterations you can make are minor ones using a file or buffer. The first layer of activator liquid takes about 60 to 120 seconds to dry. Always double check before you begin filing and make sure to protect your powder containers from any dust that might settle in and affect the quality. Most of the filing and buffing process is concentrated around the cuticle area. On the sidewalls, if you heed my advice about cleaning up excess powder, you'll find that this process is much quicker and easier. Once you're satisfied with your filing and buffing, it's time for the final layer of activator before the top coat. Typically, there are 2 layers of activator, one before the top coat and one after filing and buffing. Give it about 2 or 3 minutes before applying the top coat. This prevents the brush from hardening upon contact with the activator. No lamp curing is required as the activator quickly cures your manicure. And that's it. No chipping, no cracking, and it lasts for up to 4 weeks. You deserve it.